In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a course on GoHighLevel. So in order to create a course on your GoHighLevel, you first need to head over right here to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. From in there, you should be able to see this. So in here, you can click onto this login to app if you want to log in into their application, or if you're interested to signing up, or if you do not have an account yet, you can click onto this 14-day free trial and then sign up for an account in order to see their perks. So once you have actually signed up or logged in, you should be able to see in here your own dashboard. This is what it looks like. If you want to create a course, head over right here to your left sidebar, scroll down, and then from in there you can see in here this memberships option. Click onto this memberships option from there. Now once you have seen this, you can see in here this part of the dashboard for the membership. We want to create a course, so let's click onto this courses and let's head over to the dashboard of the courses. So this is technically just a blank dashboard since we haven't created a course yet. So if you're interested to create one, you can head over and then do so. To do that, go over to courses, head over to the products option, then click onto this create product. You can start from scratch or you can import from Kajabi. I'll head over and start from scratch. You can choose in here which kind of course. We have sprint course, which are short courses, marathon course, membership, build your own, and the likes. In this part, I'll just choose this sprint course right here and then input right here the name of the product. So example right here, let's name it VA course and click onto this create. Once you have done that, this will create this particular sprint course product that you have. And then you can input right here the course contents, you can edit it. So this is just blank templates. So you can input or edit this by clicking on this pencil icon from there. And from there, as you can see, we have successfully added this particular course into our actual GoHighLevel. It's just up to you to connect your payment connector and also to customize it in order to make it your own. So that's how you create a course on GoHighLevel. Hope we help.